Hello guys, so today we're going to talk about the SMBMAP and it stands for Server Message Block Mapping, and it is an SMB enumeration tool which allows users to enumerate SMB protocol share drives across an entire system or domain. So I'm going to illustrate how the SMB map works on my INE lab. So yeah, this is my INE lab, and first thing first, let's check the manual of an SMB map so that you can have a brief idea of what it means, what it entails, the arguments that are usually used in SMB map and so on. So this is the manual, the manual of connection of the map. So as I said, it's an SMB enumeration tool. These are the various arguments that I use. We have the dash h, which is the host, dash u username, dash p password, dash s the share, dash t the domain, dash p, which is the port, which is the default ports of 445, and so on. So if we run this particular command, smbmap dash u, the administrator, which is the username, then this is the password, dash t, as I said, is the domain. Then this dot over here is the current directory which we are going to check the information on, whether it's an administrator or whether we're in the guest section. So once I run this, it's when reading the administrator already, and this is the this this is the directory, the current directory that we are, and we have access to, we have permission to read and write for almost everything here. For the remote admin, we have for the default share, for the remote IPC, and so on. So the next one, which I'm going to illustrate, is this using the -l command, and this usually is used for listing all the devices that are specific on that specified host. So once I run this, it's going to show me the list of devices that are running on this host, on this IP 10.3.21.56. So it's showing we have two hosts, which is local drive and the net drive, drive C and drive D. These are the hosts that are currently running on this administrator. So next one I'm going to illustrate is to display all the files of the current directory which we are going to be in using the dash arrow argument. Oops. So yeah, this is all this particular command which I just displayed now, type, is actually going to show you the files and the directories which were present inside the C drive. So, here, right here indicates C, which is actually the C drive. So these are all the files that are present in C drive, and these are all the files and showing if we have access to them. As you can see here, the read and write for the C drive. So we have access to all these particular files inside of C drive. So we go to the next command, which is the guest. So remember I said we have the administrator and the guest section. So in the guest section, you don't usually have permission to read and write. Yes, so these simple commands here, I created a username and a password of secret. So, and when I run it, it's going to show you the list of files and if I have access or not, but unfortunately, I do not have access to these files. That is for the guest section. Thank you.